Excel and Advanced Excel Training. Mastering Data Analysis, Automation and Reporting. Welcome to GoLogica. In this extensive guide, we explore the Excel and Advanced Excel Training program, covering key modules such as we can provide a roadmap for what you will learn in this course. About the course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities. Training program. First, we discuss about the course. The Excel and Advanced Excel course is designed to provide an extensive knowledge of Microsoft Excel, from basic functionalities to advanced data analysis techniques. This course is ideal for students, professionals, and business users who want to enhance their spreadsheet skills for better data management and decision-making. The basic module covers fundamental concepts such as creating spreadsheets, formatting, using basic formulas and functions, sorting and filtering data, and working with charts. Participants learn how to efficiently organize and manipulate data, making everyday tasks more productive. The advanced module focuses on high-level features such as pivot tables. Now we discuss the prerequisites for the training. To enroll in this course, candidates should have basic knowledge of Microsoft Excel, familiarity with data entry and basic formulas, understanding of logical and mathematical operations, exposure to reporting and business analytics, beneficial but not mandatory. Let us discuss the eligibility criteria for this course. The Excel and Advanced Excel Training Program by GoLogica is designed for professionals from diverse backgrounds who wish to enhance their expertise in data management, automation, and business reporting. The course is suitable for business analysts, professionals who work with large data sets and require insights for decision-making, financial analysts, experts handling financial modeling, forecasting, and investment analysis, data analysts, professionals analyzing and visualizing data to generate reports, MIS executives, IT professionals managing and automating management information systems, HR and payroll professionals, HR managers handling employee data and salary calculations, marketing and sales professionals, experts working on sales forecasts, trends, and customer analytics, students and fresh graduates, individuals looking to enhance their job prospects with Excel skills. The average salary, roles, and responsibilities in Excel-based jobs. After completing this training, professionals can take on various Excel-related roles with competitive salary packages based on their expertise and experience. Data analyst. Work with data visualization, sorting, filtering, and dashboards. The average salary ranges from $60,000 to $90,000 per annum. Financial analyst. Use Excel for financial modeling, budgeting, and investment planning. Can earn the salary from $70,000 to $120,000 per annum. Business intelligence analyst. Work with Power Pivot, Power Query, and advanced analytics. The average salary ranges from $75,000 to $110,000 per annum. VBA developer. Automate Excel tasks and workflows using VBA scripting. The average salary ranges from $80,000 to $130,000 per annum. MIS executive. Manage business reporting, data processing, and Excel dashboards. The average salary ranges from $55,000 to $85,000 per annum. Sales and marketing analyst. Analyze customer data and trends for business growth. The average salary ranges from $65,000 to $95,000 per annum. Now, we discuss about the training program. The GoLogica Excel and Advanced Excel Training Program is an extensive course designed to equip learners with practical expertise in Excel functions, automation, data analysis, and business reporting. This hands-on program is ideal for professionals across various domains, including finance, business analytics, sales, HR, and IT, who need to efficiently manage, analyze, and automate data-driven tasks. The training includes live instructor-led sessions, where expert trainers provide in-depth guidance on the Excel advanced features, including pivot tables, Power Query, Power Pivot, VBA, Visual Basic for applications, and macros. Learners will work on practical exercises and real-world projects, gaining practical experience in data visualization, financial modeling, dashboard creation, and workflow automation. To help participants excel in their careers, provide certification preparation for globally recognized Excel certifications, such as Microsoft Office Specialist, MOS, in Excel. Additionally, the course includes career support services, including resume building assistance, interview preparation, and job placement guidance. With flexible learning options, including weekend, self-paced sessions, and 24/7 team support, this program caters to working professionals and students alike. Upon completion, participants will be well equipped to handle complex data operations, optimize workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and generate insightful reports, making them valuable assets in today's data-driven world. Join the GoLogica Excel and Advanced Excel training program today and take the next step in your career toward mastering data analysis, automation, and business intelligence. Whether you're an analyst, finance professional, or business manager, this course will empower you with essential Excel skills to succeed in today's data-driven world. Start your Excel journey today with GoLogica.